In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to flame graph in Grafana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a panel's visualization to a flame graph and save your changes so your team can use it. First, open your Grafana workspace in your browser and sign in. From the left sidebar, head to Dashboards. This is where all your existing dashboards live, and it's the fastest way to get to the one you want to modify. Choose the dashboard you want to work on. Once it opens, look for the option to make it editable. Click Make Editable. Some dashboards are managed or provisioned, so this button unlocks editing for the session. If you don't see it, either you already have editing enabled or your account needs edit permissions from an admin. Next, click Add to create a new panel. This gives you a clean slate to apply the flame graph visualization. You could also switch an existing panel's visualization, but starting new keeps things simple while you test. With the new panel open, find the panel editor on the right and click Visualization. This is where you pick the type of chart or graph you want. If the catalog is filtered, switch to all visualizations so you can browse the full list. There's also a search bar if you prefer to type. Scroll through the options until you find flame graph. A quick note on what it is. A flame graph visualizes hierarchical data, often from profiling or tracing, as stacked bars. Each bar's width represents cumulative time or resource usage, and deeper stacks show call paths. It's perfect for spotting hot paths and bottlenecks at a glance. Click Flame Graph to apply it to the panel. At this point, make sure your query and data source are appropriate for a flame graph. It typically expects profiling data, such as from a compatible data source. If your panel looks empty or errors appear, double-check the data source and the query format in the editor. Also confirm the time range in the top right. Narrowing the window can help when testing. When you're happy with how it looks, save your work. Click Save Dashboard. Add a short description of what changed if your team uses version notes, then confirm. Saving ensures the flame graph is persisted and visible to anyone with access to this dashboard. That's it. You navigated to your dashboard, enabled editing, added a panel, switched the visualization to flame graph, and save the dashboard. As a tip, once the flame graph is live, hover over stacks to see details, click to zoom into a branch, and use the panel options to adjust colors or labels so it's easier for your team to interpret.